Come test drive the 2008 LR2. It's acceptably comfortable, and the LR2 is very impressive off-road and is priced below $10,000. This vehicle has less than 120,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, anti-lock braking system, traction control, CD changer, navigation system, all-wheel drive, moonroof, air conditioning, Bluetooth wireless data link for hands-free phone, power steering. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.